The sun is shining and it's early in the morning, and I'm so grateful to be out in my garden. But what I'm doing is it's not always just about the food. I'm growing some peppers. I'm growing some gladiolas. So I thought you could come with me today to harvest some of our flower power in our garden. Let's go. I'm in this sea of beautiful pastel peachy pink gladiolas. As you see, I have so many that are coming, but I just so happen to have one that's ready to go. Right. Here is my sea of beautiful burgundy gladiolas. Look at them. I've got more coming and they're just blooming all over. So I think I'm going to get a stalk from here. The ones, I love to get the ones that have fallen over. Guys, look at my beautiful sunflower. Look, the bee doesn't want to let it go. So y'all see the sun is really coming through now. My melanin is popping. Let's harvest one of our beautiful peach colored, orange colored gladiolas. Look at this baby. All right, let's go to the next spot. If I'm picking flowers or anything, I always find something that needs to be done. So you get the best of both worlds, the work and to get the food and the beauty of the flowers. I thought that you and I could create a floral arrangement out of these beautiful flowers. It's like Friday, and why not? So I'm gonna start. I usually start with the lower stems first. Having worked in film and television, um, I really have an adoration for flowers. As a set decorator, literally have to use flowers in so many sets. So I spent a lot of time sourcing flowers from florists. If I was working for a decorator, then I would have to arrange them, or be a part of the crew that got it together. So it's a treat to be able to cut fresh, free flowers. I think I'm gonna cut this one here. So you have to measure before you cut. Measure before you cut, because you could just mess up a whole thing of flowers. Here's another one. These are gladiolas. They're perennial that comes back every year. So literally, I plant them once and we are on the run. You hear me? One time I plant these. And I get these every year for free. Aren't they beautiful? All right, let's see what we want. We're gonna keep this one the right length. It can more in the middle so he can sit up. Because she got something to say, baby. Don't she got something to say? And the last one, the Pierre de Resistance. Let's put her right here in the tall top. And then there we go. How do you like our floral arrangement, you guys? This is for you. Happy Friday. Happy Sabbath. You guys have an amazing day.